Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. It's need to come back upward to give us a peak like here and like here, but till now it hasn't going back inside, and our long-term trend is still the same. So let's wait in the coming days what's going to happen, my friend. If the market is going to drop till here, till the oversold area, at the right time for us to buy again. If it's not, maybe from here it will going upward, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that, and you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it, and please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, my friend, we came back in another video, and when the daily candle is finished, as you see it here. So there is nothing new, my friend. Everything's still the same. Let's zoom it out like that for the picture to be more clear to you and to read in what the price try to give us here. There is nothing new here, my friend. It's just a candle here. So we need to wait until the next day what's going to happen. And even the volume down is not that big. It hasn't break for us that level here. So there is nothing new, my friend. We're still in the same. The only thing we still here in the lower of that channel as we drawing before. As you see it, my friend, that channel as we drawing before, we're still in the lower of it, that one, if you remember it, last time as we draw it together. So now as I tell it to you in the previous video, my friend, I tell it to you as we are going till here, till the half of that previous candle, that one. We're going to go till there, then after that, maybe we are going to fall down again. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, my friend. We need to wait in the weekly candle to finish it. Because here, as you see it, my friend, that zone where we are now, if you see here, last time it's been a support here. And that one here, I tell it to you up here. Even that one, last time it's been here, a supply and demand zone. So be aware of those things, my friend. Till now, there is nothing new, my friend. Nothing was changed. Everything's still the same, my friend. So let's see our indicator, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, hasn't come inside that level here. So us, we're still here in a downtrend. It's need to come back upward to give us a peak like here and like here. But till now, it hasn't going back inside. And our long-term trend is still the same. So let's wait in the coming days what's going to happen, my friend. If the market is going to drop till here, till the oversold area, at the right time for us to buy again. If it's not, maybe from here it will going upward, my friend. But me, as I tell it to you, my view to it, maybe from here till tomorrow when the weekly candle finishes, it's going to go back inside, and that weekly candle is going to become inside that 200 moving average. That's my view. But we don't know, my friend. That the market, we don't know what's going to happen to it. So everything is too clear, my friend. And that one, my friend, as you see it, it's going down to the oversold area. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend. Maybe it's going to come here, that zone here. Maybe it's not, because now we are in the middle, as you see it. So it's going down. So let's see what's going the future to bring for us, my friend. But till the now, everything it look very bad, my friend. There is nothing new. Nothing was changed. So let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, if you remember what else we said before, me I just update you because some people they just came now. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, we said we got here a channel. We started from here, from that zone here, and we make it here. And the top of it is here. Doesn't confirm it yet is a channel. It's need the price to come up or to touch it up, because in the top it's being touched only once here, as you see it, but down it's being touched 3 times, as you're looking at it, my friend, here and here and here. All those times I show it to you before. And before, if you remember what me I told you, my friend, I told you got here like that and like that, like cup and handle, my friend, and it's being broken here in that zone here. It's breaking for you the lower of it. So to calculate in the target, you came here like that and like that. So the target is being here, my friend, and it's bring it for you exactly, my friend, as you see it. Till now, there is nothing new. The only thing, if we zoom it like that, the market here, it try to give you here a W, my friend, or double bottom, as you see it now. To know it more clear, you just came here, you changing from candlesticks to a line like that, and now you see it, my friend, as you see it, it try to give you here a W like that. So over here it's more clear, and here you can even draw a triangle like that, my friend. So when it's going to be broken up, you calculate them from here to here. And me as I tell it to you is going to come till here, till the 50% of the daily candle. I'll tell you those things in the previous video, my friend. You can go back and watch it. Let's go back to the candlesticks now. And I tell you in the previous video, my friend, the price give us here an inside bar here and here. But till now, it hasn't break it up. So it need to break the top of it. It's going to break it 100%. It will go into here, to that level here. I tell it to you before at 22,400, my friend. Then maybe it's going to drop again. Maybe it will go in upward. We're going to see what the future going to bring, my friend. The only thing now, me as I tell it to you, is giving us here a W, as you see it, my friend. But tell now that W, it's not, or double bottom, it's not yet confirmed, my friend. It's need the price to come and the candle to close above that level here, like that. Then it will go in till here. Then we're going to see if it's going to fall down or it's going to continue till that 200 moving average, that one here. As you see it, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, we're still here at the oversold area. And as I tried it to you before, that indicator, by the way, give it to you. If you want it, you just go to how to earn $100 a day in cryptocurrency, or how to make $100 a day in cryptocurrency. Down in the description of that video, you're going to find the link down on that indicator, my friend. And there is one other indicator. Actually, all those indicators, they are highly paid indicators. May I give it to you free, my friend? The other indicator, it shows you where to put the stop loss and where to put the take profit if you want them. Just go down on them and install them in your trading view, my friend. So as I told you, my friend, in the previous video, you need to have three conditions. The first condition, what is it? Here, supply and demand zone, and the price is it in it. Down here, our indicator is need to be in the oversold area for you to buy. And the third condition, it's need the price to give you a price action. Until now, as you see it, my friend, it give us here a price action. All the conditions, they are together. But till now, it hasn't break. A candle came and break above that supply and demand zone. So when you're going to break, that's the right time for you to buy, my friend. That's the right time for the price to go up higher than that. I think everything is too clear, my friend. By the way, if you are new and you are wondering what else we're talking about, those things we're talking about, my friend, it's called technical analysis. If you want to learn it, down below in the first comment, there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. We're going to teach you everything about technical analysis. If you are a beginner or you are a pro and you want to develop your skills, that course is going to teach you very, very, very solid knowledge, my friend. You can find it nowhere else. And by the way, the price of that course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. It's the price of a cup of coffee if you want it. And if you want to support us. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, the price here, it give us the W here. It's more clear than the 4 hours. As you see it, my friend, it's very, very, very clear here in the 4 hours. So I think the price is going till here, my friend. Till it will touch in here the 200 moving average. And I told you, it's going to go till that zone. Also make it with red here. That zone, exactly where it is. Is it at 22 or 30.26, my friend? So if you want that zone as a territory, and I will repeat it, 22 or 30.26, my friend, that where is that market it will go, my friend. If you enter, you need to put stop loss down here, my friend. If you're using the spot, you just put it by your eye. When the price reach there, you close it. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So as you see it, my friend, also now the market try to go in upward, but we don't know till when and till where. Let's make it like that, because now us we got here, the market it gave us here a trend line, as you see it, that one. So I think that one it will go until it will touch in the trend line, and the trend line exactly is the 200 moving average. So it will go in to touch it. For people for long term, don't enter always if it's breaking the 200 moving average. Me, I'm talking here for the people they want to scalp or to day trade the cryptocurrency. If you enter, my friend, me, I'm talking about here about people they want to scalp and day trade. I will repeat it, my friend. If you enter, take profit here at that zone I tell it to you before here. Stop lose, you put it down here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, our indicator as you see it. Also here, we been at the oversold area for some time. It went out till here, now it's going back. It tried to give you here a divergence, our indicator, my friend, as you see it here and here, like that. Our indicator here, it give us here a divergence. So I think it's the right time for you to enter, my friend. But that one is just an oscillator, my friend. If you enter, you always put your stop lose, because in lower time frames, my friend, it's a probability game. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So you need always to use stop lose to reduce your risk, my friend. So if you are right, you're going to get money. If you are wrong, you're going to lose money. That's how it's working, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the next video, my friend. Bye for now.